If you want to lock the screen rotation on your Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. Now to lock the screen rotation on your tablet, just swipe down from the top of the screen and open the control center. Now in the control center, you will find the option of auto rotate. Now if this feature is enabled, just tap on it and turn it off. And after you do that, you will turn off the auto rotate feature on your tablet. Just like that. But before you disable the toggle, just make sure you select your orientation which you prefer. For example, if you want to use the tablet in portrait mode, just change the orientation to portrait mode, then open the control center and turn off the auto rotate feature. And by doing that, the tablet will be locked in portrait mode. And the same goes if you want to use your tablet in landscape mode. Now, if you cannot find this icon in the control center, then just open the control center and tap on edit. Tap on edit one more time. Now under the available buttons section, just look for the option of auto rotate. After you find the option of auto rotate, just tap on it to add it to the control center. Then tap on done to save. Now if you go back and if you open the control center, you will find the auto rotate feature in the control center. And this is how you can lock the screen rotation on the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.